Digits on the beat.
I'm here at Salsa's and I've never had their chicken. My cousin just said to me that this is what you get with Mexicans fried chicken, so I'm finna see. Ooh, them cause I plate.
And it tastes like pork rinds. Yeah, you see?
Okay, the chicken kind of good. It tastes like
Pork rinds.
kind of tastes like Pizza Hut, traditional. I'm about to try this.
The sauce is
Oh, that's hot. The thing is hot. Like, why is it so hot? Alright, I'm about to see what their barbecue sauce tastes like. Ooh, this is what it looks like. If you can't see, you can see. You ready for the dip? Ooh. That barbecue sauce good. Why is everything so fucking spicy? This shit is spicy, bitch. Like the chips was even spicier. You be sweating. Look. Let me tell y'all whole something.
And then like some fried chicken.
But these Mexicans, it's pretty good. It's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. Girl.
I bit into the shit, thought the chicken was moving.
Skin separate. Your face. I wish y'all could have seen her face. The little piece of chicken right there. You can't see up the little sweaty part right there. It was like sealing up. It was, yeah. You know, this waiter keep walking past and he probably thinking like, I'm showing y'all the chicken like it's red still, so he probably went back there like, hey mijo, cacola, you know what I'm saying, snapping on his ass. But chicken good, chicken alright. Y'all, my cousin is black and look at all that meat left on the bone. Taryn.
I like boneless meat. I don't like eating the meat that's around bone.
Girl, give it to me then.
That's what I like here about it. It's just like, it's the bone that's good. You want some chicken butt bone?
You sure you black?
It's like, I don't like flats either.
What's a flat? So these were the appetizers, and I'm waiting on my food. So when we get done with the food, when the food get here, I'm gonna make sure I come back on and I'm gonna get y'all right. So I think I'm just gonna like do this. I'm gonna put the rice. So I'm eating what did I get? Fajita burritos. And once again, I'm at Salsa's in Mishawaka, Indiana. Move this camera up so I can see my face better. Okay, so I ain't never been here. My cousin done treated me today to like a birthday round two. We done had a good day. She always do me right, so you know. We came to eat. And what's this? Oh. And so I'm about to eat these fajita burritos. And this shit look good though. Like, do it look nasty how I did it, y'all? I put all my stuff on top of it, and I'm just, hold on. There we go. We're gonna scoot them down, get them out of some of that cheese. We don't need all that cheese. I don't need to be shitting it later. And then I'm gonna take, you know, they put sour cream on my they put sour cream on top of the lettuce and tomatoes and stuff. That's one thing I could say that I would not do. Like, the sour cream is right there, and they put it on top. It's about to be fired. Let me see, watch. Let me take my first little bite in it. Let me see. This is like queso cheese. They said it was nacho cheese. And what is in the inside of this? Okay, salsa. Okay, salsa. This is so good. This is like, it's not like too cheesy. It's really good. Y'all, this is good. Make sure y'all tune in. If y'all ever in Indiana, what's this considered like? Was this considered like southern Indiana? No, this is like northern Indiana, I think. Mishawaka, Indiana. It's like northern Indiana, right by Michigan. This is really good. Like, the cheese is, this is really good. Like, I can't stress that enough. Taryn, I see why you come here every other week. Girl, she deserves a reward card. It's really good. They did their thing on this.
Okay, you just don't want it.
I don't care if I look crazy while I'm eating. This right here, this deserves to look crazy while you eating it. Because these Mexicans did this. Whoever grandma showed them how to do this is really good.
Thank you.
Abuelita, she did it right. Let me tell you. So how was everybody's New Year? Mine was good. I got drunk as hell on New Year's Eve. On my last video, I said that I was gonna get drunk as hell. And that I surely did. Oh, I got food on my shirt. Well, you could tell I'm smashed. I got food on my sweater. Girl, did you say here's some washing wipes?
No, I said he just brought some there.
Oh.
Ooh, what's our time? Oh, it's only 12:50. See, 12:39. Food came within 20 minutes. Not even.
You know, I kind of wish I could have wrapped this up and ate it with my hands, but I don't think that's the real technical way you're supposed to eat burritos, which is with your hands, is it? I think we just do that in America. I can't cut this shit, but let me tell you, like,
The steak is really tender.
that's what I'm saying. The steak is good. Like, it's real steak too. You know how you go to some restaurants, they be trying to play your ass with that what's it, that mixture. This is good.
Hey, baby.
Hacienda, I'm coming for you. They way better than y'all. Y'all need to get y'all shit together. Y'all talking about y'all authentic restaurant. Authentic my ass. And if y'all don't know who Hacienda is, the ones that's not from where I'm from, let me tell you something. It's like, imagine Chipotle trying to say that they was an authentic Mexican restaurant. Like, y'all know y'all is just the McDonald's of Mexican food. This is a big bite. I'm about to eat it. Mm-hmm. Look. Mm-hmm.
I can't even eat all this.
I need a box, but I don't want a box. Look. Mm-hmm.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
I'm gonna need me a to-go cup too.
Mm-hmm. When he come back through,
Oh, excuse my burp, y'all. Oh, when you come back to what?
can you give me a box?
Where you gonna go?
I'm about to try to the bathroom and check out.
Uh-huh. You can get a to-go box, but I ain't. I'm about to smash every little piece of this that's left. Mm-hmm.
I usually can't. My whole body just
My whole body finna feel like that too.
gave up. My plate's still full.
Mm-hmm.
Look. I still got a piece of steak this big. Look.
How we doing, guys?
Damn.
Everything good?
Bring the box, please.
Just one box, guys?
Can I get a to-go cup possibly for my drink?
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Thank
You want a box too, buddy?
Yeah. This is my first public eating session. And let me tell you, this shit was so good. And there's more to come, y'all. Once again, I want to thank y'all for watching all my videos. And please do not forget, y'all, to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so every time I post a video, you can make sure you watching this bitch right here. And that's all today.